What is an SOP? Standard operating procedure. Standard operating procedure. For example, there is a client is your user asks for a some upgradation, or maybe you want to install some application inside. So you have to follow the procedure. Is this application can be installed in this PC or not? What is the licensing requirement? Is this user is required or not? User is required this particular application. Okay, is do you require any permission to install this application? What is the license permissions is having? Okay, so like that, there is a checkbox. So check the information required to install. Install an application. Okay, install the installation requirements. Is it fulfilled? Yes, then install the application. And is it working? Good. So client is able to access that application or not. So there is a checklist, and follow the checklist and do according to it. Sorry. Okay. Do as per the requirement. Okay. Sorry. Do the step by step things, checklist, and your work will be finished. Maybe there is a issue. For example, there is an issue is occur. So you want to resolve the issues also, you have to follow the checklist. What to check, what is the next one, next one. Maybe you have to set up a server, or maybe you have to install an application, and maybe you have to install OS in the machine. Okay. Follow the checklist, follow the procedure, a step-by-step procedure. Follow it.
Light is your mommy. Wi-Fi.
Okay. Okay. So what we have said. So follow the step-by-step process and complete the task, and make it is better in a better efficient and effective way. So that is called a standard operative procedure. Okay. It's a set of step-by-step instruction compiled by organization. Usually seniors or people are who are working on the specific task, they will create this SOPs to make it easier for a people to do the work easy way. Okay, so it is what is SOP? Standard operating procedure is a set of step-by-step instruction compiled by an organization to help workers carry out complex routine operations. SOPs aims to achieve efficiency, quality, output, and uniformity of performance while reducing miscommunication and failure to comply with the industry regulations. What it is? Step-by-step instructions compiled by organization. So to for routine works, like it's not a new kind of stuff. It is maybe so regularly you have to do that one. If this kind of issue or maybe this kind of work you have to do it, follow the instructions and complete the task. So this is make easier and more effective way, more efficiency. We can more quality output, uniformity of performance means everything works as it is, and reduces miscommunication. So you don't see like someone is can I do like this one, how to do like this one. So no need of ask, like follow the steps. Okay. So we can reduce the failures occurrence by following SOPs. Okay. So what is a SOP? A standard operating procedure. Guys, understand what is SOP?
Yes, sir.
And for a troubleshooting, so of course, regular works we have a SOP. For troubleshooting also we have a SOP. And this is a generalized idea of SOP. Normally, if you have an issues, how to resolve the issues, there will be a process is there. But this point, it is generalized kind of stuff. Okay, any issues occurs, you can follow by these 6 steps. You can try to resolve it. Okay, so that we call it as a troubleshooting model. These 6 steps are given by CompTIA. Okay, I have taken from the CompTIA material, hardware material it is. Okay, what is the troubleshooting model? The first step is identify the problem. Identify the What is identify the problem? So, for example, what is identify the problem? Some issue is occur. So, a user is complained, that is unable to send or receive a mails. Okay, mail is unable to send mail or it cannot able to receive any new mails. Okay, in a his Outlook application, and maybe is unable to connect his remote desktop machine. Okay, so that is a problem. First of all, know the problem. If you know the issue, then only we can able to do something, right? So identify the issue. So unable to send or receive a mail. Establish the probable cause. It is lot of issues are. So maybe the unable to send a mail, receiving a mail, maybe because of internet is not working, maybe because of change of password, maybe because of that inbox is full, maybe because of the user change some settings related to the mail. Okay, so you have to, there is a different type of possibilities are there which causing this issue. Okay, so an issue is not always having one solution, not one cause. It may with a different types of issue, different types of probable causes are there. So because of that, you are getting this problem. Identify the problem. Establish probable cause. Test the theory. Test the theory means you have to correctly identify what causing this issue and what solution if you do it, so then issue will be resolved. Once again, what is the issue and what causing this issue? What are the possibilities are there? So is this causing issue? Is this causing issue? Like you have to put it. Next, identify exact probable cause. Test the theory means is this because of this you are getting this issue, because of this particular cause you are getting getting an issue. If you resolve like this, if you do something like this, issue may be resolved. That is a test your theory. Establish, plan and implement solution. How to solve it now? You know the issue. You know you will understand what causing this issue and how to implement the solution and solve the solution. Implement the solution. Plan how to implement the solution and implement the solution. Now verify the fix. Make sure that is issue is resolved. Once issue is resolved, do the preventive measures. What is do preventive measures means? The issue should not be occur again. Once it is occur and you find why it is occur and you resolve the issues, right? And if the issue should not be occur again means you have to do something, do some preventive measures. The issue should not be repeated. Document finding. What is a document finding? So you have to document compulsory. You have to do the documentation. In the documentation, so What is the issue? What causing this issue? What is the solution you implemented? What is the solution you implemented and is working or not? And what are the preventive measures you have taken so then issue should not be occur again and again? All these things should be in the document. Okay. Once again, what is in the document? Identify issue. What is the problem? What is the issue? What causing this issue? What is the implementation solution implemented to solve the issue? Is it working? And what are the preventive measures you have taken to so then issue is not repeated? So these are the 6 steps you have to follow to solve the issues. Any kind of issues, there are the basically 6 steps. Identify the problem, establish probable cause, test the theory, establish plan and implementation, implement solution, verify the fix, and do preventive measures and document finding. Guys, understand what is the 6 steps of troubleshooting model?
Yes, sir.
Okay. When you do document, when you do document about your issues, what causing an issues, what is the solution, and what are the preventive measures you have taken, and these are all goes to the a database called a known error database. A database called a known error database. What is the content in this known error database? What is the content in the known error database? It's about an issues, about possible causes. Okay. What is the solutions for each cause? What kind of solution? And what are the preventive measures you have to take so then issue is not repeated? That is in the database. What is the use of KEDB? What is the use of KEDB? Why it is required a database? For example, you are joined into the HCL. So tomorrow is a working. So today you have taken ID cards and everything done. So maybe you can start working. You went to the organization, you sit. From next 2 days, the project will be assigned to you. What is the thing you have to do it when you it is project is assigned? Then there is a known error databases. There is a known error databases are there. Go to the known error database document. So go to the databases. Find out what are the regular issues are occur because of I told the basic troubleshooting things. I will tell. Okay. So what are the basic hardware related, network related, maybe a small DNS related, DHCP related issues I can able to tell. But depends upon the client, it depends upon the project, depends upon the type of support. Issues are different, right? So depends upon that. Already people are designed SOPs. So you no need to worry. So go to the SOP and you will understand how to do a specific task. Easy way. Next one is go to the KEDB database. See the what are the regular issues you are getting. See the what are the regular issues you are getting. Okay. So then you will get an idea that is if this kind of issue is occur and how to resolve this kind of issues. So you will get an idea. Like I joined into an organization. And maybe I'm a fresher, I maybe I'm a experienced person. So I assigned to you some project. So what I have to do? Go to the SOPs. What are the project related SOPs are there? To go to the documents, understand how to do a certain task in this organization based on that organization. How to follow that one. Okay. Okay. Next, I have to go to the KEDB document. So go to the issues. What is the issues are frequent issues will occur, and what kind of causing these issues? What solution is there? Finding out, understanding, leading, learning. Okay, understand it. So next time when I get any issues, so I will understand, yes, the customer is telling, so this is an issue I'm getting, so I'm unable to access the server. Or maybe the server always showing a disk is full. So what kind of things? So immediately I will understand, yes, this is issue and this is the probable cause, possible probable cause is this one, and this is the solution. So I can give the solution immediately. The faster I can able to resolve the issues. It does not mean, yeah, issue will come up and then we will search in the database, we will understand that time. That is, sometimes it is okay, but not every time. So compulsory, go to the database and find out what are the regular issues, what is the solutions. Okay, that is called a known error database and use of known error database in the organization. Uh, Already I'm getting this nose pain. This sprayed room spray. Guys, understand what is SOP, troubleshooting model, and known error database.
Yes, sir.
So I have written some few points here. So 2 points mainly. So that is I will try to tell. So then we will close for today. Okay. So for example, there is a report of an issue. What is an issue? System is not working. It is showing blank screen or a black screen. Okay. So that is an issue. Here's the scenario. It is I power on my system. Okay. Nothing on my screen. Not even an error message on the screen. It is possible it is post failure. What is a post? Power on self test. When system is on, system test itself to make sure that all primary components means including your CPU, RAM, motherboard, on motherboard chipsets are working or not. If everything is fine, it go for the next booting process like a finding an operating system, loading operating system will happen in system. Okay, but the very first step is post. If something RAM is loose connected, CPU is not working, motherboard chipsets are failed. So what happened? Post will be failed. If post is failed, the indication on the system is complete blank screen. Okay. So based on the issue, if there is an issue, I should understand what are the probable cause. I thought it is post failure and most possibility it is RAM failure. I thought it is RAM failure. Or maybe it is a CPU failure, or maybe motherboard failure, or maybe power distribution in a motherboard is getting a problem. There is a possible causes. These three are first is what is an issue, what is the probable cause. So then I have to test a theory. So I have to check it properly. Is it RAM related, CPU related, or motherboard related, motherboard power distribution related? I have to test the theory and make sure I have to check like it's a maybe it is a RAM related issues. Then what I have to do? Then I have to do plan action. So plan and action kind of stuff is required. So I disconnect all the power resources, open the cabinet, remove the RAM, clean the RAM, clean the RAM edges with a eraser, clean the RAM slots dust and fix it. Again, refix it, connect the power supply, verify it, make sure it is working or not. If it is working, I have to do some preventive measures to make sure that the system should not be disturbed again and again, or maybe prevent it from the additional dust formation. Means maybe I will put a additional filters, dust filters. I will put it on the desktop so then dust won't go inside. Okay, so I will put everything in the document. So guys understand issue, probable cause, test the theory means what is exactly happened, okay, and plan and implementation of solution and verify the fix and do preventive measures and document filing. Understand guys? Maybe solution, maybe if you understand post or not a problem. Steps you understand or not.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very okay, good. So another issue. So take another small issue. Internet is not working. So that is an issue. So you have to check the probable theories. What it what is the what is the icon it is showing on your laptop or a desktop? What is icon, network icon it is showing? Is a connection symbol? No connection symbol. Your Wi-Fi router LED status. So what you have to check it? Wi-Fi router LED status. Power is on. Wi-Fi LED is blinking on that. Internet LED is blinking on that. Okay, DSL. If it is a DSL type, it is DSL LED is blinking on that. You have to check the LED status to make sure that is from your Wi-Fi you are getting internet or not, or to the Wi-Fi you are getting internet not. That is also important. For example, internet LED is not blinking, means from outside to inside you are not getting internet. Okay, to the Wi-Fi you should get it. From Wi-Fi you are getting it. So you will understand where exactly problem it is occur. Okay. So maybe your internet LED is red color, or maybe internet is not at all blinking, or maybe your it is showing some yellow color. Instead of green color, it is showing yellow color. So it is backside connectivity issues. Okay. So like that. Are you given a correct Wi-Fi name and passwords or not? Okay. So like that, you have to check it. And another important point, I have to put it star mark for this one, guys. Everything is okay, but still no internet is working. Maybe user is not paid the bill. If you don't pay the bill for internet, so you will get a problem, right? So usually, in my hometown, we have internet connection. When we were there that time, so it is 100 Mbps. Later we leave it, but my parents are not getting internet. So what is the problem? So we didn't pay the bill. So internet is disconnected. So we have to pay the bill like 399 something you have to pay plus GST. So you have to pay. So 4,427 something payment is there. So point is checking payment status if of a customer. So is it paid or not paid? If we clear the payment, so he will get internet. If you don't pay, you don't get it. So again, guys, what is an issue? Internet is not working. Why it is not working and where is the problem? Maybe you are not connected properly. Maybe you are not connected. You are connected to some other. You are not connected to this particular Wi-Fi router. Maybe on Wi-Fi router is down, not working. Maybe internet is not coming to your Wi-Fi router. So investigate what are the probable cause, and based on that, what is the solution you can able to implement. Either if your internet is not coming from outside to inside, so that is possibility is your router configuration is changed. So here it is a solution based on what is the solution. Okay, depends upon the things. For example, configuration, mainly WAN configuration, is changed in your Wi-Fi router. Someone changed username password, or connection type. Okay, So that is also one of the probable cause. Probable cause. The cause itself telling the solution. So if it is changed, you have to check it properly and revert it. So check the proper connection. Maybe you are not connected to your Wi-Fi thing. Okay. So or maybe you are not connected. Okay. So here it is. For that one also, I will tell you solution. Log into Wi-Fi router. Okay. Check WAN connectivity status. WAN connectivity status. Wi-Fi name and password. Connection type. User name and password also. Okay. And Wi-Fi name and password. MAC binding. Or MAC yellow or deny list. Or you can say, device yellow or deny. Sometimes certain devices are not allowed to connect. Okay. So you have to check those things also. So to make sure that if it is you're checking means you are changing it as per the things. Sometimes in the routers, so someone like we are connected yesterday, now it is not connected. Someone block your connectivity to your Wi-Fi. Okay, that is also required. Change of the password. Okay, this step, guys. Again, any I need some plain space. Okay, this is your Wi-Fi router, and this is internet. From outside, you are getting a cable, and you are getting internet to your Wi-Fi router. From Wi-Fi router to you are getting internet. If you are getting up to here, it means when you are getting means you are getting internet. So maybe problem is this side. If you are not getting this one, problem is mainly this side. Okay. So that's the point. Okay. So what are the things you have to check it? What are the things you have to change it? So then maybe you will get it. If nothing is working, nothing is working, there is a possibility it is payment or maybe given a complaint to the internet service person. From ISP, internet service provider should give internet service, right? You should get internet up to here, then only we can do from there to here we can get it. If it is not you are not getting to up to here, it means your ISP related problem, internet service provider problem. Okay, like an Airtel, you are getting from Airtel, or maybe you are getting from ACT, or maybe you are getting from Geo. Okay, so internet has to come up to your Wi-Fi router. If you're not getting, you have to give directly complaint to the internet service provider. If you are getting, of course, you have to ask them. So there is our part. It is so maybe a your device to the router connectivity device connectivity, and maybe there is a change of um, connection type, user names. That is um, Wi-Fi are there. Are you really getting or not? That is also you can able to check it from here based on the LED status. Are you getting to your router or not? That is also important. Okay. Yeah, that's more than guys understand if your internet is not connected. Like that, you can take lot of issues and we can find different types of solutions. Okay, maybe a server is not connected, maybe a unable to log into the server or maybe unable to log into email. So this is also I hope you got it. So compulsory read about a service desk, types of tickets, okay, and what is SOP, what is KEDB, what is incident, what is a problem, what is a change. All these things are very important points as compulsory read it. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So you got little bit time for next the 2 days. Okay. So compulsory study these things because these are important and also I shared a two video links that is belongs to I already told no. So what is the importance of those two links? Compulsory watch it so you will understand what is service desk, what are the people are working, the what type of people are working, what is ticket, how to resolve the ticket, how to check it. You will understand. Try that one when you have a time. Now you have a time little bit, so try to learn now one. Okay, maybe next your version test and all you don't get more time to spend with the uh, time for learning. Okay, that's my point. Tomorrow
Sir,
I'm
did you
going to.
share the Google file of this today's session, sir?
This is everyday session. Yesterday also same. Today also same.
Okay, 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 sir. I thought it was
Same
different.
link only. No, same link only.
Got it,
So
sir.
tomorrow I'm going to start a basic hardware. Okay. So then I will. You can see.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you guys. That's it for today. I'm also having some this nose irritation, headache also.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you guys. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Shall we leave, sir?
Yeah, you can leave guys.
Okay, sir.